Hello everyone and welcome to this new super duper useless tutorial. So today we're gonna learn how to wash your hands. So first things first, you have to raise your sleeves like this if you have long sleeve shirts. Then you have to open up the faucet so water can flow through the faucet and end up on your hands. And in order to do that, you have to follow the how to open a faucet tutorial video that is coming up soon. Once you do that, and water is flowing, you just put your hands under the stream of water like this and you do this motion with your hands. You can also add soap if you like, but that requires the knowledge of how to properly apply soap on your hands, and that's gonna be another tutorial that will come soon. Once you're done washing your hands like this, you have to do this motion here. And in order to dry them, you can either air dry them like this in air, or you can use a towel. I recommend you to follow the how to use a towel to dry your hands tutorial that will come up soon. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was a waste of time, and if you liked it, don't forget to smash dislike now, and I'll see you on the next one.